Dear students, in this video we are going to see question number 30 from exercise 10.3. So y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now here we have to find out dy by dx. But since here it was like sine inverse and also here it's like u by v. So for this the best method is nothing but the substitution method. So what is that substitution method? Since here we have 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So as we know the trigonometrical formulae, suppose in x place if I take tan theta, let x is equal to tan theta, and here we know the formula of cos 2a. What is cos 2a formula? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is the formula. Now here y is equal to, let's substitute in x place as tan theta. So what you'll get, 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so now here y is equal to sine inverse of, so as we know the formula of this is cos 2a, so in place of a here we have theta, so the formula will be cos 2 theta. Okay, and from this y is equal to sine inverse of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means we know the formula of cos theta is nothing but sine 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, complementary angle. So here in the same way let's write down this cos 2 theta as sine of 90 degrees minus 2 theta, sine 90 degrees minus 2 theta. So here 2 theta, so I have written like 2 theta. If the formula is theta and you have to write like 90 degrees minus whatever the angle comes. Here the angle is 2 theta, so 90 degrees minus the same angle. So this is actually we have a property in the inverse trigonometric functions is that sine inverse of sine x is nothing but x. Okay, so now similarly even here sine inverse of sine x, x means the whole this particular angle whatever you have. So from this you will get that y is equal to 90 degrees minus 2 theta. So this is one of the property of inverse trigonometric functions from chapter trigonometry. So now here y is equal to 90 degrees minus 2 into theta. So from here what is theta? Theta is nothing but x is equal to tan theta, means from this how can I write theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So in theta place, theta is replaced by tan inverse x. Next, after to this, now let's write down like differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So all these are the formulae. So from this y derivative of y with respect to x, as we all know, which is nothing but dy by dx is equal to derivative of 90 degrees. 90 degrees is nothing but constant. So derivative of 90 degrees will become 0 minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse x. So I'll write the formula here. Derivative of tan inverse x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse x. So minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x. The formula will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into 1. Anyway this is 0. Minus 2 into 1 is nothing but minus 2 whole divided by 1 plus x square. This is your final answer. Thank you children.